below. Today we'll be comparing SHARDOR single serve coffee maker versus TENKER Espresso Machine 20 bar. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Install the product, signs the description. Type of coffee, TENKER is better. Brewing capacity, SHARDOR is better. Pressure system, TENKER is better. Programmability, TENKER is better. Brew range control, TENKER is better. Single serve option, SHARDOR is better. Water reservoir is Thai. Hot iced coffee brewing is Thai. Technology, TENKER is better. LSD display interface, SHARDOR is better. Heating speed, TENKER is better. Ease of use, SHARDOR is better. Filter type, SHARDOR is better. Size portability, SHARDOR is better. Cleaning, SHARDOR is better. Footprint design, SHARDOR is better. Build quality, TENKER is better. Special features, TENKER is better. Price, SHARDOR is better. Who's best for depends on your preferences. Coffee quality, TENKER is better. Durability, TENKER is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the TENKER Espresso Machine 20 bar. The link to buy it is in the video description.